Did you know there's a super fast way to create a garbage mat using text in DaVinci Resolve? Let me show you. So in the edit page, I'm just going to go ahead and drag down this video and then move on over to the Fusion tab. And here I'm going to go ahead and drag in a text node, and I will plug that directly into the alpha channel of the media in. From here I can go ahead and type my text, and I'll probably go ahead and change this to a beefier font, maybe impact, and then I will increase the size, and there it is. It's that simple. Now if I want to adjust the size of that a little bit more, I might go ahead with this selected, hit Control, Shift, and Spacebar, and then search for size and click Add. And now I can go ahead and make adjustments to the size of that, however big or small that I want. If I come back over here to this page, you can see the checkerboard background is here, but if I select this icon and viewer background, I can change that to be black so that you can get an idea of what it looks like when you export it. Another way to do this would be to take your video and drag it down into the second track, and then go ahead and open up the Effects tab, go to Titles, find your basic text, and drag that into the track below that. Now with the video selected, all you have to do is go to the Inspector tab and change the composite mode from normal to darken. And now you have this set up, so I can go ahead and type in my text and then make the changes, and it's basically the same effect. If this video helped you save some time today, hit that like button and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve editing tutorials. I'm Haynes for the Hit Film Sensei YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next one.